Twinkie, 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 Stinky, Stinky, Stinky. Twinkie, 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 Stinky.
You are so loud this morning. It's early. Nico, it's 5:30 in the morning. What? You're gonna wake up Missy. Hey, everybody's sleeping. Yes. I don't even know what that was. What? Do you know everybody's gonna come downstairs? You're waking them all up, and you don't care, do you? What? Say that again. I don't know what that was. Say it again. Why are you crying? Do you want your breakfast? Oh, Nico.
Oh, you are loving, yeah.
What color? It's red, bud. It's red. It's a red bud.
How old are you?
Say red bud.
How old are you?
Hey,
How old are you?
3 years old. Red bud. Uno, dos, tres.
Say how old you are.
That red star. Red pepper. It's red. It's pepper. It's red bud. It's good stuff. Was it popcorn? Popcorn? Popcorn. Popcorn. Eat your breakfast.
What? You can't go outside. You can't fly. Yeah, no, you can't. You don't know how. You can't fly. Because, I don't know. You can't go outside.
Buster.